guys, welcome to my channel. If you have come here for the first time, thank you so much guys for clicking on the video. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well today. And yes, today's reaction, this is my first time reacting to this artist and I have been asked so many times to react to this particular song. This is Winter Flower. Now this song is sung by an artist called Yona. I hope I'm pronouncing it correctly, Yona. And this is a song which features RM Namjoon, and apparently it's supposed to be a really good song. And I mean, lot of people on my channel asked me to react to this particular song and this artist Yona. And I have only reacted to one independent artist. Usually I have reacted to only groups except IU, who was the independent artist, and this is the second one. So without delaying this, let's start. Winter Flower. Wait, let me see how old is this song. This came. Oh, this is a 2020 song. Oh, okay. So this is a new song. All right, let's start. Subtitles. Yona. Oh, it's an animation. It's animation. Oh, I like her vocals. The way she started. Sorry, again.
번지는 한숨을 얼어붙은 눈물 버려진 꿈들은 다른 산줄 나고 이 계절의 끝이 어딜까 영원히 있다면 Hold on, hold on, hold on.
Vocals.
Take it away before you stumble.
Oh man, sorry I paused because I just wanted to share my immediate thoughts. I love her vocals, Yona. Oh man, whoa! And when the beat dropped, that beat is so cool. After hold on,
I will take it away
oh yes, wow.
I will stay by your side until you survive. 피어나 주기를.
Ah.
왜 널 만난 걸까 하필 바로 지금 여기 이겨나 눈 감으면 봄은 아득하고 여긴 찬수만 가득한 때 모진 겨울 네가 흘렸던 피에서 빨갛게 나는 태어났지 설중에 동백수선화 그래 날 뭐라고 불러도 좋아 They say life is full of paradox All you gotta do is get used to this marathon 세상은 너에게만 모두
The rap is sounding so great with like sudden beat change. It's sounding really good. Wow. Wait. I would just want to concentrate on this visual. Is this a seed that has fallen?
여기 이겨나 눈 감으면 봄은
Trying to interpret the visuals also.
가득한 때 모진 겨울 네가 흘렸던 피에서 빨갛게 나는 태어났지 설중에 동백수선화 그래 날 뭐라고 불러도 좋아 They say life is full of paradox All you gotta do is get used to this marathon 세상은 너에게만 모질까 누구나 힘들다 어른이 된 내게 그 말은 못되네 위로가 똑바로 들어겨라 네가 날 피운 걸 나 이제 내 가지로 파란 향을 피울 거야 내가 알려줄게 다른 하늘이 있음을 힘껏 불러올게 너를 닮았던 가을을
밝게 번지는 불빛은 얼어붙은 태양 가려진 달처럼 아직 존재해도
Correct me if I'm wrong. Why do I feel like this is a song about depression? I'm really sorry because the visuals are also like that. Like she's because the song is also saying hold on, and Yona. I'm guessing this girl represents her. She's holding, this girl is holding this tree which is devoid of all leaves and sort of life. But I don't know, it's like her mind sort of holding on to this last piece of hope that, right now everything is so chilly, and I'm not feeling good, my mental health is suffering, I am suffering, but hold on, because that good day or that bright day is sort of like right there, it's about to come. I just have to hold on a little bit, and this difficult time shall pass. Is it that? Because in Namjoon's rap is also, do you think world is tough on only on you? It's tough on everyone.
Yeah, you this marathon. 세상은 너에게만 모질까? 누구나 힘들다. 어른이 된 내게 그 말은 못 전해 위로가.
But that doesn't comfort an adult like you. So I don't know who like the Namjoon's line, I don't know what that represents. Is it representing time? Is it representing the universe, saying that do you think world is just tough on you? It's tough on everyone, but that doesn't comfort an adult like you, because everybody is, if I just start comparing, oh, I am having such problem but people are having bigger problems, but then it doesn't, it sort of makes my problem irrelevant. But I am going through my own problem, and that is important to me. So that's what I think he's saying, or the time or the universe is saying, but that is not going to comfort him. I'm gonna say that.
네가 날 피운 걸. 나 이제 내 가지로 파란 향을 피울 거야. 내가 알려줄게. 다른 하늘이 있음을 힘껏 불러올게. 너를 닮았던 가을.
켜던지는 불빛은 얼어붙은 태양 가려진 달처럼.
Like she's suffering, but she's still beside that tree. Where's the end to this wait? And she's sort of bruised also. Please bloom, and the time is passing. Storm. Woo! The vocals. Oh my god, her vocals are making me cry. I don't know why, I feel like tearing up. Oh my god. Why am I crying? Oh my god, I don't know why the lyrics just hit me a little harder than I thought, and the visuals, wow, oh my god. And I don't know, her vocals it just pierce through me, man. My god.
Stay.
I think when I saw this flower, I really, it just hit me very hard. Ooh. Oh, it has bloomed. Oh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is... I loved it. Let me stop this first. Oh my goodness. Wait. Oh wow, what a song. I don't know who she is. I mean, because there's no picture, I'll find out. But I loved her vocals, especially the end when she said, I will stay with you and I will stay by your side and all of that. Oh man. Guys, I loved it. I loved it so much. I'm sorry, I'm a little speechless because wow. No wonder. I understand completely why you guys were asking me again and again to react to this song. So do let me know, because I feel it's a sad song, but it's sort of asking, giving hope as well. Oh wow. I don't know, guys. I'm seriously, I'm out of words right now. I really liked it. I loved it. I absolutely loved this song. It's so sad that this song barely has any views. Or am I in the wrong channel? Because I found this video in the one the K. That's the channel name that I'm on. Do let me know. But what a beautiful song, guys. The lyrics, the animation is so beautiful. Whoever is the animator for the song, applause to you. And Yona's vocals are insane. They're so good, so good. I was thinking, like, when I sat for the reaction, first I thought that let me react to one of IU's songs because it's been so long. But then I suddenly remembered, oh my god, no, a lot of people have asked me to react to Winterflower. So I said, okay, let me react to Winterflower. Then I'll move on to like IU's song. Oh my goodness, thank you so much. This has really touched my heart. And Namjoon, of course, the rap, both of their vocals really went well. I didn't expect the rap to go so well with the, with the lyrics, like with her vocal range, because her song, like she's singing with so much passion, and then Namjoon starts his rapping. So it's blended really well, really well. I'm really happy to. I don't know how long Yona has been in the industry, but this was a great collaboration. I feel this is a great collaboration. So yeah, guys, that was my reaction to Yona's Winterflower featuring RM. I hope you enjoyed this, and do let me know more of her stuff if you can. And yes, do subscribe to the channel if you're a K-pop lover. I'll see you on my next video. Bye bye.